Hello, my name is Jose Martinez. I am the manager here at O&D Tires, located at 130 Windy Hill Lane, Winchester, Virginia, 22602, unit number 13. We have 6 auto mechanics with over 20 years of experience, and we have been serving the Winchester community for over 6.5 years. Some of the service that we offer here are Virginia Safety Stay Inspection, General Mechanic, Major Mechanic, from changing brakes, oil change, tires, up to changing engine assembly and transmission. In addition, we have towing 24 hours, windshield replacement, and also we have body shop. To find us, you can go at ondtires.com, or you can call us at 540-931-6448 or 540-671-6609.